Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing number system. In the previous class we discussed exercise point 2. So today we will discuss the terminating, the decimal is terminating or non-terminating and recurring or non-recurring decimals. Example we will study in exercise point 3. Let me we start here. So exercise point 3, the first question they given, write the following in a decimal form. Write the following in a decimal form. So here we want to write in a decimal form and say what kind of a decimal expression each have. So it is what kind of a decimal expression it is. It means it is a terminating or non-terminating, or terminating recurring, or non-terminating non-recurring. So we have to mention here. So let we start. First one they given here 36 divided by 100. So you can write in a decimal form, it is 0.36, because two zeros means that the point comes here, two place, right? So see here, the after decimal the digits are countable. Digits are countable here, two digits only. So it is a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal, right? It is a terminating decimal. So second one, what they given second one, 1 by 11. So make it a long division. Let me solve here. 1 divided by 11, right? So dividend and divisor. So dividend is a smaller than the divisor. So we'll give here point and take 1 0. So now also dividend is a smaller than the divisor. So here give another 0 and increase 1 0, right? So now dividend is a small bigger than the divisor. So here 11 nines are 99. So here we got 1. So now 1 is also smaller. So point is there, take 1 0. So it is also smaller, give 1 0 and increase 1 0. 100. So 9s are. So 99. So here have got 1. So it will be continue like that only. So remainder is not equal to 0, right? So it means it is a terminating, non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal. And see here, the digits are repeating 0 9 0 9. It is also so on 0 9 0 9, right? So decimals are, numbers are repeating and it is non-terminating and recurring. Is it clear? So here write down 1 by 11 is equal to 0.0909 up to so on. So this one we can write 0.09. These two numbers are repeating here, right? So write down here, the decimals are terminating, non-terminating, recurring, because the numbers are repeating here. Non-terminating, recurring. Non-terminating and recurring, right? Then next third one, 4 integer 1 by 8. So this one we can write in a fraction p by q form. So 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 1 33. 33 by 8. So make this one long division. We got here 33 by 8 is equal to 4.125. So here after decimal countable, it means it is a terminating decimal. Write down terminating decimal, right? So next one, these three are homework, make it. Well students, the next main, you know that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 are recurring here. This symbol means bar means the recurring. you can predict what is the decimal expression of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are without actually doing the long division. So without doing long division, we want to predict these answers, right? So if so, how? So how we will solve? They asked here, right? Let me we start here. Given that what they given here, 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857, right? These number are recurring, non-terminating and recurring decimal it is, right? So using this one we want to find out these five, right? The first one they given here, 2 by 7. So 2 by 7 we can write 2 into 1 by 7. 2 into 1 by 7 it is not a 2 integer 1 by 7. 2 into 1 by 7 it become a 2 by 7. Numerator multiplication, denominator multiplication. Is it clear? So now 2 as it is into 1 by 7 value they given. Write it. 0.142857. So now make this multiplication, we will got 2 by 7. Is it clear? So here, so make it 2 7s are 14, carry 1, right? So next 2 5s are 10, 1 11, 1 carry, and 2 8s are 16, 1 17, 1 carry, 4 1 5, next 8, next 2.0. So this one is the 2 by 7. Next one they given here, 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 also we can write 3 into 1 by 7. So this means 2 into, so 1 by 7 value they given 0.142857. So make this multiplication, sorry, 3 into 0.142857. So make this multiplication, we will got here 0.428571. Is it clear? So next one they given 4 by 7. So this one we can write 4 into 1 by 7. So this become 4 as it is into 1 by 7 value they given 0.142857. Then make this multiplication. Make this multiplication, we'll got here 0.571428, right? So next 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 homework make. Well students, the next third one, express the following in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integer and Q is not equal to 0. So here the given decimal expression, so this one we can express in a P by Q form, right? So here first one they given 0.6. so here is the symbol, it shows that it is a recurring, 6 is a recurring or 6 is a repeating. So first write down the given is x is equal to 0.6, it means 0.666 recurring up to so on, right? So here one digit is recurring, so write down the digit 6 is repeating. So 6 is repeating, so we multiply by 10 on both sides. 6 is a one digit is repeating means multiple by 10. 2 digit is repeating means multiple by 10. 3 digits are repeating means multiple by 1000. So here one digit is repeating, so we multiple by 10 on both sides, right? So next, so here 10x is equal to 6.666. So when we make a multiplication by 10, it becomes a 6.66. This points comes here, right? So now 10x as it is equal to 6.66. We can write 6 plus 0.666. So add these two, we will get original, right? So now 6 as it is plus, this means we consider as a x here, see here, right? So x, so 10x as it is, so this x comes in a LHS side, this become a minus x is equal to 6. So make this minus, we got here 9x is equal to 6, then x is equal to 6 by 9, it means 2 by 3. So x is equal to 2 by 3. So it is a P by Q form of a 0.66666. So next, second one they given here 0.47, right? So write down, let x is equal to 0.4777, so on. Here 7 only repeating, here also one digit only repeating. It means we want to make a multiplication here 10. So here write down the digit 7 is repeating we multiply by 10 on both sides. So here 10x is equal to 4.77, so on. So multiply by 10 means this point comes here. Is it clear? So now 10x as it is equal to, so this one we can write as 4.3 plus 0.477, so on. Is it clear? So add these two, we got, let we solve here, 0.477 and 4.3. So 7 as it is, 3 plus 7 is, 4 plus 3 is a 7, and here is a point, so 4, right? So now 10x as it is, this is equal to 4.3 is also as it is plus, this means we will consider here x, so write down x, so that x comes this side, this become a minus x, 10x minus x is equal to 4.3. So now it is become a 9x is equal to 4.3, then x is equal to 4.3 divided by 9. So make here multiple numerator as well as denominator by 10, because this decimal is removed. So here this comes 43 divided by 90. So here multiple by 10 means this point here comes, and here 10. So this is the P by Q form of a 0.4777. So well, the third one they given here 0.001. So write down here x is equal to 0.001, 0.00. 3 digits are repeating here, 0.01, so on, right? So now here 3 digits are repeating, write down the digit 001 are repeating. We multiply by 1000 on both sides. So now 1000x is equal to, so 1000 means this points comes here, 1.001 so on. So now here 1000x is equal to, this one we can write 1 plus 0.001 0.001. Is it clear? So now 1 plus, this is we consider as a x. So this comes this side, this become a 1000x minus x is equal to 1. Make this minus, we got 999x is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 1 divided by 999. So it is the P by Q form of a 0.001. Students, the next question, the fourth one is express 0.999 in the form of P by Q, where you surprised by your answer. With your teacher and classmate discuss why the answer make a sense. So we want to write this one in a P by Q form. What is that? They given here. Write on x is equal to 0.9999 so on. So this one we want to write in a P by Q form and surprised by your answer. So what is the surprise here? Let's check out. So here one digit is a repeating, means we want to multiply by 10 on both sides. Is it clear? So write down the one digit is repeating. So here one digit is repeating. We multiply by 10 on both sides. Is it clear? So here 10x is equal to, so make a multiplication, 10 means this become a 9 point, this point comes here, 9.999 so on, right? So this one we can write 9 plus 0.999. So yeah, make this addition, we will got 9.999. So here 9 as it is plus this one we consider as a x, so write down x. So here 10x. So 10x, this x comes this side, become a minus x is equal to 9. Is it clear? So here we got 9x is equal to 9. Then x is equal to 9 by 9 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. The P by Q form of a 0.99 is a 1. So this one only surprise here. So here is a 1, but this one decimal form is a 999. So this answer make a sense is there. The 0.999 is infinitely closer to 1. Infinitely closer to 1. So here, for example, 4.9, we can make a round figure as a 5. So here 0.1 we increase. So here 0.999 is closer to 1. These two, between in these two, as small difference is there. So this one only sense. Students, the fifth question is, what can be maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expression of the 1 by 17? Perform the division to check your answer. So here they asked, so 1 by 17 this decimal expression, so how many digit, after how many digit the number will repeating. When we make this division or this decimal form is non-terminating repeating decimal, it is non-terminating repeating decimal. So after 16 digits, so after 16 digit the number will repeat here. So first we will write here the division gives 1 by 17 is equal to 0.058823529411 7647. See, count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So after this 16, the digits are repeating, non-terminating and repeating decimal it is. So make a long division in your home. So here write down the digits repeating block has 16. So this long division you have to make it and check it. It is after 16 repeating or now.